Hi, I'm Bhavin Surya from Grade 3 Congo. Today, my experiment is about magnetism and magnetic field. We all know that if we freely suspend a magnet with a thread or make it float in water, it always points to the north and south direction. Using this concept, today I'm going to make a compass. For this experiment, I used a bowl filled with water. Any object that floats, I am using thermocol. I label the directions on this thermocol: east, west, north and south. And a magnet. This is the north pole and this is the south pole. Now I am placing the magnet on the thermocol to north and south, which I already labeled. Now I am placing it in the water. Let's see what happens. It rotated and it rested in the north and south direction. Now let's check it again. So I am rotating it to the east and west direction. Let's see what happens. Oh, but still it rested in the north and south direction. And we got the north, south, east and west. And now our homemade magnetic compass is ready. The same process we can do by hanging a magnet freely. That also works as a compass. After doing this experiment, I got a question. The earth is also a big magnet. It also has north pole and south pole, just like this magnet. We all know that like poles repel and unlike poles attract. But the north pole of this magnet is attracting the north direction of the earth. Why is it happening? I inquired about it a lot. I came to know many surprising facts about the earth's magnetic field. The geographic south pole of the earth is the magnetic north pole of the earth, and the geographic north pole of the earth is the magnetic south pole of the earth. The magnetic fields of the earth are from the south of the earth to the north of the earth. That is why the magnet in a compass always points to the north and south direction. I hope you all enjoyed and gathered new points from this experiment. Thank you.